this all happen. He's got to be thinking inside his cockpit right now.
Whoa! Big crash! Schechter down the backstretch. At the end of the backstretch, there's the contact, and Breck's car up into the wall.
And that's slow-mo. Oh, and here we go at full speed. That's just so quick. No time to react and
to it, because it's just phenomenal. Just listen. Is okay.
Now here's our Corvette coming back up, just making a pass into. Oh, there's hit.
Oh, tremendous.
No. Oh,
two cars flipping.
Oh, the Jag is flipped over very badly.
And now a fire breaks out in one of the cars. I'm not sure who is involved.
Terrifying, right?
And we have another angle. Here's the replay.
Look at the Jag starting to take off right here. There's the back off the ground. As the probe is going up on the rail, the Jag is totally airborne at this point.
Unbelievable. Now watch
the car and runs away. Another view of it, he just hit the back of Nguyen's car, missed his braking completely, almost went over the top of Nguyen, and then the car barrel rolled.
Oh, we have a problem. Bobby Allison with a horrible crash here on the front stretch. It has torn out a complete section of protective railing separating it. Alan Kowicki becomes involved.
Debris and is collecting other cars. There is a lot of debris in the front.
That race car probably has something in excess of 60,000 racing miles on it. Boy, talk about a used car. And Al Holbrook gets almost out of control, comes way up in the air off the hill. I don't think he wanted that at all.
Got to dive down low. You've seen what Briscoe could have done.
This is it. One lap. Oh, there goes Ryan Hunter-Reay and Ryan Briscoe. And Briscoe flies. Briscoe flips and flies.
They just start bouncing off of each other here. Hunter-Reay was going for a gap. It closed, and he came down into Brian, and the grass just caught the car and just flipped it.
Sign Graham Holmes and John Boosman. Side by side, Boosman's going to shut the door here. Oh my goodness me! That is frightening. Oh my goodness. That is Mark Webber at Valencia this year, times 100. Wow. Absolutely flat out, 200 k's an hour. Curve. He didn't even touch Boothman's car, just nailed the curve.
Und hier sehen wir, was passiert ist. Mitten auf der Geraden biegt er ab, überschlägt sich beinahe. Und das bei Geschwindigkeiten von etwa 300 km/h.
Only 7.5 minutes plus one lap left. Oh my! Huge accident, a huge off. Ryan Dieter had spun, PK is involved, there was another car that's airborne.
And then way up on the curb, Peter Lee into the back, a complete corkscrew. He crash lands. Pedro Piquet goes underneath.
Lauf die absolut schnellste Zeit. Während hier.
Okay, through the kink on the back straightaway. Two cars in front of him. Slips inside. He taps PJ. Trying to pass him. Look at that. And he lands upside down on the track. Rolling again, tumbling. Look at that. What a ride through that. Oh. That is unbelievable, and is that not a testament to the safety of these cars that this guy's looking to get out of there?
Another look from overhead. Bill Jeffrey runs across the curves, and he takes that Sam McLeod with him. They all survive, and there's more contact and a huge moment this time coming up towards Les Combes, and that, I'm afraid, is the Carlin car upside down. Menezes, I fear, it's
beendet, es wird nicht mehr aufgenommen.
Nein, 8 Minuten. Und da sehen wir jetzt nochmal, was passiert ist. Nein, das Auto ist alleine hier.
Ja, und was ist das da oben?
Kann ich nicht erkennen im Moment, was da passiert.
Da, vor der die Flagge winkt, da steht er noch.
Look at this.
Takes a little bit too much curve, it hits once, twice, that launches the car right up in the air, and thankfully the roll hoops.
ここで左フロントと右リアが接触、そして大きく平手はコースオフ。
Dramatic happened in GP3. This is Konstantin Tarashenko. Look at that, Anthony. My goodness.
It brings back memories for me at Le Mans in 2 years ago.
Wow.
But you see what happened there? It was the sausage.
The 24 on board with Byron DeFore through the tri-oval. He's cut down a tyre and then he loses that tyre right in the tri-oval. Gets sideways, upside down. Remember, this is about 100
south. Oh, and another one. We are going to see a red flag, and that is a huge accident. That's Javier Villa, I think. And he's taken the top off a water supply. Well, that's a very, very dramatic looking accident.
その後、ここです。
Ryan Hunter-Reay's car. So you can see that he got hit on the inside and up over the top, and you can see Ryan Hunter-Reay moving his hands, and he looks up in front of him and he goes, my gosh, I can't believe that. Oh, wow. Oh, so close.
The Toyota lights ablaze. Make sure the slower cars see them. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh my God! The Mercedes has taken off. That's Peter Dumbreck at the wheel of the number 5 Mercedes. The car flew right up into the air, over the barriers, over the wire, and into the trees. Let's look at this again. This is an awful accident.